Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix lag and delay in Roblox. So the first thing you guys can do is simply just uninstall Roblox and then re-download it with the latest update. Make sure the game is up to date. And now the second method you guys can try to do is, what you're going to do is if you're on console, what you're going to do is you're basically going to try to use a LAN cable instead of just your normal Wi-Fi. So go to settings. You're going to need a LAN cable for this. If you know, then you're good, but if you don't know, try to do some research. It's not that really complicated, but go to setup internet connection and then try to use a LAN cable instead of the normal network. And basically, once you have your LAN cable connected, you should definitely experience much lower ping and overall better FPS and just better network. And yeah, so if you do not have a LAN cable, don't worry. The other option you guys can do is simply just unplug your router or restart your router. And in order to restart your router, what you have to do is you just have to unplug all the wires out of your router, wait a couple of minutes, and then replug them back in. And then a couple minutes later, your Wi-Fi should be restarted, or your router should be restarted, and then you guys should be good to go. And yeah, so you can do all of these things to help fix lag and delay in Roblox. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.